In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize email marketing groups, tags, in MailerLite. If you're new to email marketing or already sending campaigns regularly, using groups is a simple way to segment your audience so your messages feel more relevant. When subscribers receive content that matches their interests, you'll usually see higher open rates, more clicks, and better conversions. Let's get started. Open your browser and head over to the MailerLite website. Take a moment to look around their tools and resources if you're curious. It's a great way to get familiar with what's possible. In the top right corner of the homepage, click Login. After you sign in, you'll land on your MailerLite dashboard, which is the control center for your account. On the left side menu, click Subscribers. This is where all your contacts live and where you'll manage how they're organized. Inside the Subscribers area, look for Groups. Groups are essentially tags that let you cluster people by interests, behavior, or any criteria that matter to your strategy. This makes it easier to send the right message to the right segment at the right time. Now let's create a new group. On the Groups page, click Create Group. You'll be prompted to give your group a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so anyone on your team instantly understands who belongs there. For example, you might name a group based on a content topic, a product interest, or an event they attended. The more specific and consistent your naming is, the easier it will be to keep things organized as your list grows. Once you've named your group, click Create to finish setting it up. Your new email marketing group is now ready. From here, you can start adding subscribers who meet the criteria for that segment using the methods you already used to manage your list. By placing people into well-defined groups, you'll be able to send content that truly resonates, whether that's targeted newsletters, promotions aligned with their interests, or educational emails that match their stage in the journey. Remember, email marketing success comes from nurturing your audience with messages that feel timely and relevant. Make it a habit to revisit your groups regularly. As your offerings evolve or you learn more about your subscribers, update group names, refine who belongs where, and keep your segments focused. This ongoing cleanup ensures your campaigns stay accurate and impactful. That's it. With your group set up, you're ready to level up your email marketing. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring MailerLite's features to sharpen your strategy, and happy emailing.